Wait, wait, wait. Can you do Edelweiss for me?
Happy to me, tree, oh baby, I know forever,
Edelweiss. What? Yeah, we have lots of videos of you singing the moon song. How about, what other songs do you know? How about Do, Re, Mi? No, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Janie. Well, first of all, let's come out of the kitchen because we're getting some great background noises. Come on.
Wait a minute, are you videoing out of the bathroom?
Yep. Because that's the only place I could get her to sing. The only thing I can get her to sing is the moon song. Jane, come with mommy. Come on. Go into the living room. Run, run, run. Look at that cute little butt. Come on, go in the living room. Go ahead, go, go, go. I'll follow you. Ready? We'll go together. There she goes. That's not the living room. This way. It's too dark in there for the camera. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye for now. Never stops moving.